Hi guys, so here's how to buy connects on Upwork. So the first step is to click right here by the top right on your profile picture and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to enter your password. It's simply a security protocol. So just enter your password. Once you enter your password, you'll see different options right here. Again, you can follow this process on your phone browser if you're using a phone. So just click on membership and connects right here. Click on membership and connects, and then you'll see uh, okay, your available connects, your memberships. So just click on buy connects. Okay, click on buy connects. Once you click on buy connect, you have to choose the specific number of connects you want to buy, and that will be purchased for you. Okay, so you can select 10 connects for $1.72, or any amount of connects you want. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just choose 10, and then right here you can see your account will be charged $1.72. So your main Upwork account, your uh, freelancer profile, will be charged this amount. So you need to make sure that you actually have some funds earned on Upwork before you buy Connect. So um, once you've chosen that, you can input a promo code if you have one. If not, then just click right here on Buy Connects, and the specific number of connects you choose will be immediately added to your Upwork profile. If you gain some value from this video, kindly click on like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.